Morning, Pop Pop's bees. It is way too early and a little bit cool to be installing bees, but these girls here, rain's coming. I got a busy day, so I am going to have to go ahead and do this really quick. They're probably going to tear my tail up. These are the ones that was hanging on the tree. I had to leave them yesterday because I took vacation, took some time off from work to run down there and catch them because they were really nice. And they left the box yesterday. So I had to go back last night and put them back. Bunch of bees in that box. Never did see the queen. That's a box full of bees there. They're stinging like crazy. Not real happy with the early morning wake up call, but I figured they'd be on the frames. Go ahead and get it done before the rain gets here, and then it's done. Get it locked and loaded, draw and comb. I love it. Cardboard box was a lot lighter going up the ladder to get these girls yesterday. Just taking a quick glance. Woo, they did not like that at all. See if I can spot that queen. Although the way they went in the box yesterday afternoon, I know I got her. I'm gonna put these girls on some drawn comb. Sunday it's supposed to clear up. I'm gonna do a mite check on all of the swarms that we caught, and then I'm gonna give them an oxalic acid treatment before they start brooding up. Well, I say I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna check the mite load first, and then we'll see what it looks like. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Not many bees left in the box. That's a good thing. Woo! All of them was the hot ones. Let them do their thing. All right, that's quick enough. Pop Pop's Bees, Funny Bug Bees, and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Y'all have a good day.